doing?
You hit me for my headlight, huh?
Headlight and a taillight, dear.
I know, and I've got to get it fixed.
All right.
I put a new one in there, but it won't. It keeps cut off, so I have to put my
You probably got a little bit of a wiring issue, don't you?
Yes, and I'm working on it. Because I can give my license, and I'm all dead.
I appreciate it. And sir, do you have any kind of ID on you?
I have no idea.
Nothing? All right.
I do.
What's your last name, sir? Huh? Bunch?
There we go. It's in here somewhere.
What's your first name, Mr. Bunch? James?
No.
I think your brother was looking for you. I stopped him on his bike downtown. He said he's looking all over for you. Not trying to talk to him? No? All right. No big deal. When's your birthday, Mr. Bunch?
Here you go, sir.
What year?
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
You want the rest of the things?
That's okay. Are you the registered owner?
My son is.
Okay. All right. Modesto B41, 29 on 2. As long as you guys aren't on America's Most Wanted, I'll get you out of here, okay?
No, I'm not.
Number one's gonna be last of Bunch, Boy, Union, Nora, Charles Henry. First of James, common spelling. Be a female, last of Yeah, you hit the little curb there.
Yeah, I didn't know. I'm not drunk. I don't drink. I don't do nothing. But I hit the curb. I know. I knew I was gonna get stopped by that. I gotta get it.
What's the dog's name?
Monster?
Monster?
Yeah.
How old's he?
He's about 8.
About 8 months?
Yeah.
Okay.
At least my dogs don't with us. My dogs would be yelping. Yes, I was gonna get something to eat. I don't know.
Mr. Bunch, you're not on probation or anything, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay, cool. How you doing? Barry. Good. Yeah, that might be it. Sorry, my radio's kind of slow today.
Well, I know that, but you can't do it. I put the light. My son bought me new lights for in here, and I put it in there.
Well.
And I may have touched it or something because it worked for a day and then it went out. So now I may have touched it, what somebody said. Or either that or it's the wiring. And then and that one, what is it? It's my right tail light or it's my brake light? I don't know. I keep forgetting to tell the
I got it. Hey James, what was your middle name again? You don't have a middle name at all? Okay. 710 of 81, yeah?
No.
Yeah. You gave me a different birthday.
523.
523 of what? 81. Modesto B41. I'll take a 98.
Yeah, bunch, right?
Huh?
Bunch. B-U-N-T.
T-S?
Yes.
B-U-N-T-S.
Yes.
Bunch.
But that's still be 41.
I thought it was bunch.
You clear for a different last name on Bunch? Boy, Union, Nora, Tom, Sam. Same DOB of 81. 52381. Well, when you're whispering your name to me, it's hard for me to, because I know there's another Bunch, B-U-N-C-H.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know, I'll get that one too, If my other listing, my tongue kind of goes off to the side, my stomach come out and you stab me throat. And I can't talk when it's loud.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I think I'm just going to work on a simple warning citation for you. It doesn't cost you any money, nothing like that. Just sit tight, okay? I'll be right back with you folks. I'm trying to pause ID. Can you just stand by with the passenger?
Passenger?
Yeah.
Where were you guys headed before my partner?
I'm going home. I had to go to the store. And I gotta head by that.
What happens?
I have to use the hygiene.
Can you hop out and talk to me real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Okay. I didn't do it.
I don't believe you did.
I didn't do it. Here you go. Yes, what happened?
Come on over here. Hey, why is he lying about his name?
I have no idea. I haven't seen him for years.
Okay, who is that?
A friend I've known years ago.
Okay, James Bunch, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, that's him.
What was your name?
but
He's not really works or anything.
Huh?
yeah,
He's just on
I haven't seen him for years.
James Bunch?
years.
Okay.
He happened
Is that
to
the
come
name you
over
gave
my
my
house
partner?
and said, you know, did you give him my ID? No.
Oh, does he have anything we need to know about?
No.
Now's the time to tell me because I don't want
No,
someone.
I don't know. I just picked him up and
From
brought
where?
him with me. Over there on the west side. Right over there.
But that is
Yeah. Yeah. Like,
UNCH and his brother is the other one that roams around downtown, right?
yeah, like, I mean, but I haven't seen him for years. So I apologize. And he came to my house and said, hey, Linda, where are you?
Seatbelt? It's on.
Honestly, I haven't seen him at all. For a long
All
time.
right, just hang out here for a second.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay if I open your door, right?
Yes, there's a dog back there. But yeah.
Can you lock this door, dude?
There's one. There's a box.
Just stay right there. Alright, put your left hand on your head.
Left hand on my head?
Yes, your left hand on your head. And listen to my instructions. Do not make any movements.
Why not? What the hell?
Put your left hand on your head.
Why
and listen to my instructions.
What the hell did I do?
Don't worry about it. I will tell you right now. All right? So step on out. Step on out.
Don't reach down. Hey, don't reach down.
Look, dude,
I'm gonna fucking tase you.
Put your
I
hand
ain't got
up.
shit, man.
I'm gonna tase you.
You're not tasing me, bro.
B41, give me 1033. B41, shots fired. Suspect on the way. Get to cover. Get to cover.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Don't reach for that. Don't reach for it.
Crawl towards me. Crawl towards me.
Suspect is down. Officers in code 4. We are facing southbound towards Jack in the Box. Man, get over here.
Just keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her.
You got him?
Yeah.
Stay over here. Sit down.
I didn't know he had a gun.
Stay over here. Sit down.
Crawl towards me.
Covered my knee.
B41, 1141 to stage. Code 3. Don't
Hey.
reach for that gun.
Relax. We will get you help right now. Ambulance is on the way. We will get you help.
Crawl towards us. I'm gonna tase you.
You're not tasing me, bro.
B41, give me 1033. B41, shots fired. Suspect.
Oh, move out of the way.
Get to cover. Get to cover.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Do not reach for that.
Don't reach for it.
Crawl towards me. Crawl towards me.
Suspect is down. Officers in code 4. We are facing southbound towards Jack in the Box. Man, get over here.
Just keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her.
You got him?
Yeah. Crawl towards me.
Code 3. Don't
Hey.
shoot that gun.
Relax. We will get you help right now. Ambulance is on the way. We will get you help.
Crawl towards us. Don't reach for that gun. Crawl towards us.
Hey, we're trying to help you out.
Incoming units come in off to the east.
We're directly in front of Briggs. Hey, we're gonna help you out. All right, help is coming. Let me check on her.
Good. I got him. Keep your hands up, James. We're gonna get you help. Just don't move.
We will get that taken care of, all right, Linda? Just stay there, have a seat. Absolutely. We will get you help as well. We're going to help you out right now, James.
Crawl towards us if you can. You good?
Yeah,
Check yourself. Make
I'm
sure you
good.
not hit someone.
I'm good. We're going to help you right now, James. The firearm is next to you. We got to wait. All right? Just stay calm.
Hey, the gun's right next to him to the right. Okay. Keep an eye on that.
All right.
Hey, the driver's over here. She's a female. She's code 4.
Okay.
Just stay right there. All right. Put your left hand on your head.
Left hand on my head.
Yes, your left hand on your head. And listen to my instructions. Do not make any movements.
Why not? What the hell did I
Put
do?
your left hand on your head and listen to my instructions.
What the hell did I do?
Don't worry about it. I will tell you right now. All right? So step on out. Step on out.
Don't reach down. Hey, don't reach down.
Look, dude,
I'm
I ain't
gonna
got
fucking
shit going
tase you.
on.
Put your
I
hand
ain't got
up.
shit, man.
I'm gonna tase you.
You're not tasing me, bro.
B41, give me 1033. B41, shots fired. Suspect on the handgun. Get to cover. Get to cover.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground.
Don't reach for that!
Don't reach for it.
Crawl towards me! Crawl towards me!
Suspect is down. Officers are code 4. We are facing southbound towards Jack in the Box. Man, get over here. You with the shield. He's 8.
I got a shield. Yep.
Gun to the right.
You guys have gloves?
Somebody still in the car?
Alright, there's a dog.
We have one lady.
We have the driver over here.
Somebody grab a med kit.
No one else code sufficient.
I copy your incoming code sufficient.
You reach for that gun, we're going to shoot you again. Do you understand? Stop moving.
Let's try to stay away from that way.
Stay still.
Stay
Stay still. Do not make any movements, alright?
Go ahead.
Guns on the right. You see Lutz?
Yeah, I got it.
I'll go him. Where are you hit, man?
That's Arm 30. I want northbound.